Once upon a time, in the lush bamboo forests of China, there lived a curious and adventurous panda named Pandy. Pandy was unlike any other panda in the forest. While most pandas were content with their daily routines of eating bamboo and lounging in the shade, Pandy had a burning desire for adventure and exploration. One sunny morning, as Pandy nibbled on tender bamboo shoots, a colorful butterfly fluttered by, its wings glistening in the sunlight. Pandy's eyes lit up with excitement, and without a second thought, he decided to follow the enchanting creature deeper into the forest. Pandy chased the butterfly through thickets and across babbling brooks, his black and white fur contrasting with the vibrant greenery around him. He felt alive like never before, the thrill of the chase coursing through his veins. As Pandy ventured further into the forest, he discovered a hidden waterfall, its crystal-clear waters cascading down into a sparkling pool. The sight took his breath away, and he couldn't resist the temptation to take a dip. With a graceful splash, Pandy dove into the cool water, relishing the refreshing sensation. Hours passed, and Pandy continued his exploration, encountering all sorts of wildlife along the way. He made friends with a wise old owl, shared stories with a chatty squirrel, and even danced with fireflies as the sun began to set. As the evening sky painted hues of orange and purple, Pandy realized it was time to return home. With a heart full of memories and newfound wisdom, he made his way back to the familiar bamboo groves. Pandy's adventures continued, but he always remembered the day he decided to follow that colorful butterfly. It had opened his eyes to the wonders of the world beyond his bamboo forest, and he couldn't wait to see where his next adventure would take him.